Okay.
How do you feel about the Germans?
About the Germans? You have to know I'm from Russia. So I remember how I came to Germany and I see the German people and the German language, and I thought to me, oh no, it's like the war. You understand me, I hope? they cry and it's so hard. But now, if I met Russian people, they say to me that I speak very good German because it's like music. So I hope I speak better German than German people. Huh.
And how was your English in the school?
My English? It's cool. I think you... Hair. My English is so good because I don't really learn English. It's and we don't see films in the original version, so I don't really learn it. But I tried when I go to Mallorca or Spain or so, you have to speak English. So I learned it a little bit for the nice guys, the nice Spanish guys. So it's not so good.
Who's your favorite actor born in Austria and who was governor of California?
What? You mean Arnold Schwarzenegger? I like him. I don't hear his accent in the original version, but hey, he looked good, and he is sportive and has a lot of muscles, so I don't have to listen to him.
Do you think muscles are a great qualification for running a state?
What? A little bit slower.
Next question.
Hey. Okay, next question.
If Arnold Schwarzenegger was to teach a class in the University of Hamburg, what class would he teach?
What class he would teach?
Course.
Maybe something kind of sport. Maybe, I don't know how to build muscle. I don't know how to build muscle in the short time.
That's called steroids.
Maybe, or something like philosophy.
Usage of steroids.
I don't think that.
Advantage and disadvantage.
What? I don't know. It's my publicum.
And then there's a Fluse.
Thorsten, get in there.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I suppose Arnold
You have to get to the middle a little more.
Arnold Schwarzenegger should teach the usage of steroids, advantages and disadvantages, disadvantages and perspectives.
Don't you think he could teach governance?
Governance, I think he really could teach that, because if you are a leader, you must not be competent, because you have consultants. They could be competent, and you must just be a model or I don't know, a symbol to motivate the people. That could be enough. You must just have the qualification to don't do so much shit to damage the work of your qualified consultants.
What was the name of Arnold Schwarzenegger's dubber in Germany? Dubber. Person who dubs him.
I don't know. Nobody knows it.
And yet you say he is a very good actor.
I know the movies he was acting, and it's not his original voice. It's the voice of a educated actor, and he's doing a good job because the movie's okay. I've seen some movies in original version with Arnold Schwarzenegger, and you listen. It's a catastrophe. It's just as a comic situation. By the, it's just funny because of the situation of comedy. But I don't know.
And why shouldn't I use Sissy in the German version of my play?
Sissy sounds like
like a princess.
Romy Schneider, German. She's lovely acting or crying in her movies, and women like to see that. And guys, if they hear it, they say, "Oh God."
Oh no.
So I don't know. Würdest du dir einen Sissy-Film angucken? Would you watch a Sissy movie
Yes, I do.
without alcohol?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Yeah.
Yes.
Women.
Why not?
I don't know.
It's like a dream.
Your dream? It's like a nightmare.
It's like a dream of every little girl. But when you grow up, you see it isn't so.
Romy Schneider is something like a visual ass kick. I don't know. Sorry about that, but she's so lovely. It's really horrible. Also, you cannot watch that. It's like watching Gilmore Girls as a guy. You cannot weiß nicht,
My papa likes Gilmore Girls.
Really?
Yes, his head out. They look so good.
Yeah, okay. That's the only way to watch the TV show. But you don't try to understand the
I don't know. I think it's too fast for him.
the dialogues. Yeah, then everything is okay. If your English is not so very bad, that your brain is making you to understand the.
No. I watch it on German. With German?
Ah, so okay,
German.
and he's also watching in German.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
yeah, okay then.
But he don't speak German, so he's Russian.
Yeah, then it's okay. If you would understand the dialogues, he would have a problem.
Last
He
question.
would drink enough vodka, and then it's okay.
You ready?
Yeah.
Are those real jeans?
Oh, this is elegance. And
der Frage halte ich mich noch
Shakira
raus.
has the same one. And
Darf ich davon auch mal ein Foto?
it wasn't cheap. So
How much?
Das mit den Jeans
how
will ich auch
much?
mal haben, ey.
It was a sale. A sale, yes.
For sale.
What?
On sale.
It was on sale, and I pay for it 200 euro. But in the normally it stand on the website that it costs 400. And so
400
yes. Yes.
Euro for jeans.
Yeah, for leggings. It's not a real jeans.
Kannst du dir noch mal zeigen?
So, but I think it's very sexy, and everybody asks me where I found it, and I have the leggings already 3 years, and she's still looking good.
Wirklich noch mal.
My ass.
Yeah.
Okay, really last
Like
question.
a Shakira ass.
How much have you paid for that?
200 euros.
200.